Hi, Ben Franklin Mom and Dads. This is Mr. Martin. I want to share with you some information about the upcoming distance learning schedule. As you're aware that during the week of October 5th and October 12th, Fargo Public Schools will go to distance learning for our students to try to help mitigate the impact of COVID on our schools. During this time, your child should check into EduCal during each class time listed during week 1 and during week 2. Now, moms and dads, during this distance learning time, our students will be on an odd and even period day schedule. On Monday, October 5th, Wednesday the 7th, and Friday the 9th, students will attend periods 1, 3, 5, and 7. On Tuesday the 6th and Thursday the 8th, those even days during those weeks, students will attend periods 2, 4, 6, and 8. The time that the periods will run are 65 minutes, from 9 to 10:05 for period 1 on Monday, Wednesday, Friday, and period 2 on Tuesday, Thursday. And then 10:25 to 11:30 for periods 3 and 4 on these alternating days, 12:15 to 1:20, 1:40 to 2:45. Again, moms and dads, classes are scheduled for 65 minutes. They may not always meet that entire time. Attendance is required in each class. There will be an A and B day rotation to these classes. A little bit more of that as we go further down. But basically, A day classes will meet the first 30 minutes of each period. A B day class would meet the last 30 minutes of each period. Our students will have advisory. For instance, all 6th graders at Ben Franklin Middle School have advisory during period 4. So they would have advisory on Tuesday and Thursday of next week. Advisory is just going to be a 5 to 10 minute Zoom check-in. Attendance will be taken during advisory. Now our 7th and 8th graders have advisory during period 5. Period 5 is going to be held on Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. And as you can see, period 5 is always going to meet from 12:15 to 1:20 during these days. But if you're a 7th or 8th grader, you'll have advisory during those times. The next week, week 2 of our distance learning schedule, as you can see, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, the even days will hold even periods, 2, 4, 6, 8 on the 12th, 14th, and 16th. And on our odd days, Tuesday the 13th and Thursday the 15th, odd periods will meet. So basically in this 10-day distance learning schedule, our odd periods will meet 5 times, our even periods will meet 5 times. Now here's an example of that A-B day schedule. Let's say your student has period 6 art on A days and period 6 Phy-Ed on B days. Well, first of all, what days do they meet? Because it's an even period, they're going to meet on Monday the 12th, Wednesday the 14th, Friday the 16th, and if we go up to the other calendar, you'll see the even day periods would be October 6th and October 8th. So period 6 always meets in these 2 weeks during those even days, and the time will always be for period 6 from 12:15 to 1:20. Because art is an A-day class, let's say for this student, art would meet the first 30 minutes. So that would be 12:15 plus 30 minutes, 12:15 until 12:45 on those period 6 days. 6B, the student might have Phy-Ed. Well, then they would meet the last 30 minutes of this time, and that would be, let's do the math, 12:50 to 1:20 during period 6 on Monday the 12th, Wednesday the 14th, and Friday the 16th. Hey, I hope this is helpful information for everybody. Please don't hesitate to reach out to the school if you have any questions. we want to make sure that your child's distance learning is quality and engaging for them. We want to give them a leg up. So reach out if I can be of any assistance, moms or dads. Contact your teachers. And just like you would on a normal day, if your child isn't going to make it to class, call our attendance office. Add value, everyone.